Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Kumar. I am ready at Gopal Naran Singh University at BC IBM. Today I here presented my topics title Linkless Insertion Operations. This presentation aims of the provide a clear understanding of the subject, its importance and the related to it. I hope to reveal information and for all of you. Linkless insertion operations. Definition: a linear data structure where each element's node contains data, the value of information. Next, a reference your pointer to the next node is the sequence. Types of the linked list: single linked list, each node point of the next node. Double linked list, each node points to both of the next and the privacy nodes. Circular linked list, the last node point back to the first code. Node struct node into data struct nodes into next. Linked list structure linked list struct node into head. Algorithm: create a new node, set the new nodes next to the current head, update the head to the new nodes. Code: this is a code element implements a single linked list in the functionality to create to the list in insertion a new code at a specific location. Here's background: a structure definition type df, a structure node into nd. Definition: a structure named node. Each node contains two members. Next, a pointer to the next node is the list data and integer to the stored data. Type df, create a line of the for structure node for easier as main function int main. Initialization declares a pointer that pointed to the first node, a post on the traveling and the building the list. At nw point to the neural create node, an integer can't store the number of node the user went to the create. Getting the number node node permitted the user to enter the discrete number of the node and read it into count. Creating the first node, allocated memory for the first node using malloc. Promoted to user enter data for the first node and store into nw arrow data. Set both the start and p to the point to the neural. Create first node creating sequence nodes loop. A for loop iterate count one time of to create remaining nodes in each iteration. Allocate memory for a new node. Promoted the user of this data and store it. It is the new node's data field. Set the next pointer of the privacy nodes p to the point to this new nodes. P next is equal to nw. Move the p pointer of the new wall. Create node p is equal to nw, so that the next node can be linked to it. Terminating to list after the loop p arrow next is equal to null. Set the next pointer of the list node is equal to null, indicating the end of the list. Insert function calls the insert function, passing of the start of the list the return value in the start. In the insertion happiness the beginning assignment back to the start. Yet at me pointing to the print, which is the arrow, the code of the thread for print the data of the list using a value. However, as the pointer p is still at the end of the list where it is the left are content. Therefore, the loop is executed and the well pointer returns 0. Included successful program execute. Output: thank you.